What's the meaning of boss? Boss. Boss.
Boss. Boss. The word boss generally refers to a person who is in charge of a particular group, organization, or business. The boss is typically responsible for making decisions, overseeing operations, and managing employees. The term can also be used more broadly to refer to someone who is seen as having a position of authority or control in any given situation. In many cases, the boss has the power to hire and fire employees, allocate resources, and set priorities for the organization. Ultimately, the role of the boss is to ensure that the objectives and goals of the organization are being met in an efficient and productive manner.